This Groovemember review will explain why it's a great choice for creating a successful membership site. Do you want to take advantage of the newest marketing tools and techniques? Then you understand the value of membership sites. For this Groovemember review, we dug deep into the platform's capabilities, to find out what makes it such a potent tool for automating and optimizing the processes involved in running a membership site. There has been a lot of talk about the Groovemember program recently. In this video I'll explain how the various parts of it work, and how they might help you as an internet marketer and membership builder. So, get yourself a cup of coffee or your drink of choice. And get ready to discover everything there is to know about this powerful membership software resource. Building a membership site, your Groovemember tutorial. Groovemember is an easy-to-use platform that allows you to build, host, and market your own online courses or membership subscriptions. The best aspect is that Groovemember works in tandem with the other applications on the groove.cm and Groovefunnels platform. To streamline the creation of courses and the acquisition of new users. Groovemember is similar to Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi. Yes, you can earn money from your knowledge or the knowledge of others. Here's how to turn high-impact memberships into moneymaker sites built around your own or someone else's expertise. To assist you decide if Groovemember is the right membership building system for you. Let's have a look at the software features. Your high-impact, online membership website can grow here, and you won't have to turn anyone away. Inside this cutting-edge membership software, you can provide as many courses as you like. Building a structure of modules, lessons, and chapters, using a flexible theme and simple page addition. As a result, you can get started on creating your course right away, by using one of the many available templates. Courses, membership sites, and the user sign-in page should all share a consistent aesthetic with your brand. Easily add supplemental content like an About Us or Terms and Conditions page, or even a funnel. Using Groovemember's file hosting, you may add numerous course instructors, display course progress bars, and upload a wide variety of file types. Once your course has been constructed, it may be released to students in a matter of minutes. Pre-made templates and a drag-and-drop editor will have your course up and running and ready to enroll students in no time. You can increase the size and variety of your service by making use of the portal building and membership or training course providing tools. It's up to you to decide whether to provide free memberships, or to charge for access to your knowledge, at different levels. You can increase your audience and make a killing with sales pages that have been well researched and optimized. Also, make use of membership tiers to differentiate your offerings on the basis of price or content, a great strategy for generating course upsells. Given that it is fully compatible with GrooveSell, a popular sales automation platform. Every time a member signs up, they'll have instant access, and everything can be managed from a central dashboard. Furthermore, you can customize your pupils' learning rate to meet their needs. You can either give your members instant access to the full course or level, or you can give them access to content in stages, allowing them to learn at their own pace. Use unique subdomains to streamline access and navigation on your platform. With GrooveCell, you can manage your users from a centralized dashboard and automate the creation of new users, saving you time and making it easier to bring new members into your membership community. Construct your own online community or educational offering, but skip the expensive recurring costs. Beautiful pre-made layouts for your membership site are ready in a matter of minutes. Make it simple to provide your members with a well-organized learning experience by adding modules, sections, and lessons to your courses. The Groovemember Lesson Builder provides extensive customization options for incorporating a wide variety of information into a single session. In a single presentation, you can incorporate video, text, checklists, accordions, audio players, and download buttons with attached files. And that's not all. You can also include things like photos and embedded HTML codes. Any sequence you like can be used to display these components. Content bundles function similarly to membership access levels in that they let you tailor who has access to what in your courses. Just suppose that your Groovemember membership has a variety of tiers, from free to silver to gold. You can either instantaneously provide access to the full course after a customer joins up, or you can gradually reveal sections of the course at intervals of their choosing. Text, photos, PDFs, and videos are all welcome to be uploaded in order to give the best possible learning resources. Worksheets and additional materials for the course should be made available for download. You may grow your membership to have the effect and realize the vision you've always envisioned, without ever having to worry about running out of room. Create a variety of portals and levels of education to extend your reach and generate more income from your courses. Groovemember is a top-tier platform for membership sites. It's simple to work with and packed with options that rival more complex systems. It's cheap and there's a permanent free version. This Groovemember review advocates for the use of Groovemember as a membership site builder. You may give it a try for yourself by signing up for a free account by clicking here.